Customer is looking for us to install a patio and sitting walls, and probably we'll have to do a retaining wall as well in this area where they have their garden. All right, so the patio would start at the back side of this concrete or of this tar right here, and it would be raised, as you can see. Let's see if I can get down to level here. I've drawn a string at the approximate level, so we're about 4 inches over here. But then as it makes its way over to the east, it's 18 inches raised on that far side. So it's going to be a little bit of a step, maybe 8-ish plus inches right onto it in this general range. This whole back area is going to have to be graded down to the new height. And then the retaining wall here is going to have to be deconstructed starting at about this point, so that we have the new grade height that we're going through here. On the east side over here, there is going to be a sitting wall that's going to be installed, and it's 14 feet from the tar to their line. So we're going to have a 15 feet. It's 15 feet from the tar to the line. So we're going to have a 7 1/2 foot radius along that back side over there for the sitting wall. So then where the sitting wall ends on this far side over here on the south side, it's just going to connect to the retaining wall that we're going to have to install along the back end here, and then connect over here. Now, we can do one of two things over here. We can just have a wall that comes around and connects the two together, or we can install some steps coming off their patio. Why don't we bid it both ways? I hadn't approached this, hadn't bid this or told them about steps, but it seems like a pretty logical place to put steps in that back corner there. So our height of our wall along here is going to be 28 inches going along here. If we have no pitch on it, I assume we'll still be at 28, and then stepping down along that back side to 18, which is the height of the sitting wall coming around the south side. So from the street, you will see 18 inches of sitting wall plus 18 inches of raised for a total of 36 inches. There'll be two bump-up pillars on the sitting wall at the ends, and we had briefly discussed putting in numbers for their house, which is 3,600. And also just put in there, if they want to add any light fixtures, what the cost of our installation of a light fixture might be. Fond du Lac, looks like buckskin and bluestone accents.